Hello art students, this is Miss Chu. This video is for my 3rd and 4th grade students. I'm going to walk you through the process of how to access me on Canvas and how to complete your very first e-learning art class assignment. So I am going to my Google homepage. I'm going to find my waffle to access my Chrome Canvas, which is what teachers are using for 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. I'm going to click on my Canvas. It's going to take me to my dashboard. My dashboard's going to look a little bit differently than yours because I have all of the classes that I am teaching in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade on here. 3rd and 4th grade will be doing the same thing. So I'm going to walk you through what I want you to do. I'm going to click on, let's click on Mrs. Wren's class right here. So 3rd grade, you are doing this exact same thing. I just wanted to be able to walk you through the navigation and how to access the certain things on your Canvas. So as soon as I clicked on my class, which is Mrs. Wren's class, you should be able to find me. It should look like the same icon that I just showed you. You have this is your recent activity page. This is your home page. You have your announcements, your assignment notifications, and down here it is a discussion. So this is for week 1. Always click on your announcement first. Right here it says Art Class Week 1. Click on that, and this is what I want to talk to you about. This is what I want to tell you. So this will be what you read first. This says Hello Mrs. Wren's class. If you're in Mrs. Wright's class, it will say Hello Mrs. Wright's class. Read this announcement. It says your assignment for today is going to be a discussion. You will first watch the video located in the assignment section. It's also in Studio. After watching the video, decide how you want to answer the question, what is the opposite of art? And post your thoughts in the discussion section. I look forward to your responses. Now, there is a short video that you're going to watch titled, What is Art? You're going to watch that video and then you will be participating in a discussion. So it says that your video is in 2 locations. It's in the assignments page. It's also down here in the Studio. So if you can't find that video in your assignments page, you can always click on the Studio, because this is just a place where we keep those videos, and I will show you that in just 1 second. If you need to respond to me in any way, you can click on this and say, hey Miss Chu, I don't know what you're talking about. Hey Miss Chu, I can't find the video. This is a place where you can respond and you can post a reply and I can see that response. So you can always communicate with me in this announcements section. As you can see on the left, this is the page we're on. We're on the announcements. So I'm going to go back up here on the left and go back to the home page. That's the first page that it shows. It shows your activity. So we have our announcement we just read. Here's your assignment notification. I'm going to click on the assignment. It says, what is art? And this is Mrs. Wren's 4th grade art class. So I click on that. Here's the video that I want you to watch. You can push play and watch this video in a small screen right here, or to make it bigger, full screen, you can click on this box right here and it's going to make that video very large. It's going to talk to you about what art can be. We should all know some answers to that question. There's a lot of wonderful things that art can be. I'm going to click pause. To get out of this full screen, on a regular computer you would just push exit, or not exit, you would push escape, and it turns it into a smaller screen. But if you are on your Chromebook, you would have to touch your screen and then you would need to touch this icon right here, which would minimize that screen. That's what that's called, okay? If your video does not work right here or it doesn't show up here, you can come to the left side and scroll down to Studio. That is where I collect all of your videos. It's just a video library. You can click View, that's that same video. It's going to look a little bit different, but I can do the same thing. I can maximize that screen. Here's a full screen. If I push on that, turns it into the full screen. It says press escape to exit full screen, but I can also click on it and those 2 arrows there will minimize that for you. Okay, after you watch that video, you can go back to your home page right here. Then you're going to participate into the discussion. And all of this stuff you can find over here on the left too. You can click on the assignments and it's going to show you the page we were just at. If you click on What is Art, it's going to show you that exact same assignment that I just found on the home page. So if I click the home page, now we're going to do the discussion. This is what I want you to do. What is the opposite of art? So click on that. It says, after watching the video titled What is Art, located in both the assignments and studio sections, I just showed you both of those, tell me what you believe the opposite of art might be. So I want you to click on this box right here that says reply, and this is where you can type. So you click on here, so you would touch, or you would use a mouse if you have a mouse and use your cursor and click. And this is your section where you can start out your sentence with, I think that the opposite of art is, I know I'm in all caps, I'm not shouting, I promise. And then you can tell me what you believe the opposite of art is. So you're going to watch the video of what art actually is, but I want to know what you would think the opposite of art would be. It might be more than just one word, and I might discuss this with you. I might respond to you, and we can have a nice discussion over the computer. Once your response is typed out, you're going to come down here and you're going to post your reply. I am going to be able to see your response, and then once you respond, other students in your class will get to see it as well, so you can talk to each other about what you think the opposite of art is. After you post your reply, you're all done. So you can go back to the discussions page right here, and on this page it should show your classmates' responses. You're not going to be able to see responses until you post your response. That's what makes it a little bit more unique. So that is all you're going to be doing for week number 1. This is just a few simple ways that you can access art from Canvas. I know it's different. I know I want to be here with you too, but we will get through this and we will learn a lot from the computer, and I look forward to seeing your responses on what you think the opposite of art might be. Your next lesson will be coming next week. Please always make sure you're checking those announcements, because that's what you're going to find out. All the information you need to know from me, all right? Have a wonderful first week of remote learning, and I will see you on YouTube.